gone. See your baby girl. This one, a house hunting. So we'll be going out.
Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. I bring Abby and family and grandma gift. I watch our sister Vivian video. If you do not get our sister Vivian, you now go straight to her house. I watch her react. She talk about grandma gift. Then I go straight to grandma gift house. I see video, the particular video when she talk about when grandma gift say should they look for house, somebody wey wan help am look for house. Before I talk, I know say I dey love to bring evidence. I know like make the video too long, be like Yambo Hanze people. Let me play that part so that when I hear from grandma, then I will give grandma my own opinion. If really say just because of quarrel, person dey pray say may two sisters when they happy before, just because they marriage no fit scatter them. Then just because of the sister, and that is their children, can't get husband when some not, they never even mature, then they will come try to destroy two sisters when they love their self. Good, they heart broke. Okay, when I watch her for Vivian house, I just go straight to grandma gift. Then I go rewatch the video. Behold, I see the video when grandma gift talk about say I want go look for house. Not be say the house where I dey not good o, e good. My people, before I dey talk too much, let's watch grandma gift. Then drop your opinion, encourage her, talk to her. Me say yeah, she's senior many of us. Sometimes junior they give senior advice. Sometimes junior get as you take talk to senior. Senior go really realize this journey I want embark on, make sense. So let me draw back. Yes, let your opinion mature, please. No drop comment just because of hate. I know they like am. We are all adults. Many people when they watch my video will be adults. And the same people when they watch. Please, ma, please, auntie, please, sister, drop comments, with respectful way. Let's hear from grandma gift before we go straight to our program.
Okay, guys. So right now we'll be going out in search for the house, and I'm praying that God should give me the one that I will be able to take, to be able to pay, and also the one that will be spacious, because you know that the one that I'm staying is okay, but then I still need more space. Yeah, most especially the space, and in the kitchen too, I need more space, because you know that the one that I'm staying, well, it's okay, but then I still need the one that is more spacious. So that's why I want to go out and look for this house. So, I like carrying you along wherever I'm going. So, as we are going, I pray that God should give me the one that I'll be able to pay. And at the same time, it should be spacious. Yes, it has to be spacious. If it is not spacious, I will not take it. Guys, when you are looking for a house, there's no house they will not show you. I tell you, there's nothing they will not show you. Let me just turn the camera and show you the house that they are taking me to go and show. Oh my goodness, this is bush. I tell you, inside bush. You can see the environment. See, inside bush. Oh my God. Let me just turn the camera and show you the house. Look at the house there. See, those two houses. So this is the house. Look at the road. The road is not even good. Oh my God. Look at. See, this is where I'm coming from. And that is the house that they are taking me to go and show. So let's just walk up there and see how it is. But I cannot take you. I cannot take you because of this road. I can't take it.
Grandma gift, I respect you, and I no doubt your, I know talk about how I want to put am. I no disrespect you by bringing you to my channel to talk to. I believe if I get access to you, I'll still talk to you like this. But as far I don't get access to you, I get a channel, I will still talk to you through my channel. Grandma gift ma, I'm so sorry say it's a fair also. Now Matt had already did social media and you still publish this video for social media. According to my sister Vivian, where we at, he said now some comments say now your sister house, now you dey stay. Then when you dey stay your sister house, when quarrel never come, you not say the kitchen too small. But it's good, we develop. It's good we go higher. But as far you dey stay your sister house, auntie, mommy, for me, if I want talk my own, those money when you want go dey spend for house rent, if no be say na quarrel, because for me, I look and say na quarrel. Yes, na make you want come up for that house. If no be quarrel, man, you supposed to stay that house. From that house, you gather money. The way you build your school, you fit still build your own house. Then from your sister house, you come back, enter your own house. No place when they for not the quarrel. Now because una link enter social media. Now make people fit talk put. any house wey you go fit boast come and say im family na be na lie, just because una own link to social media na make people interfere. For me, I for tell you say, for if na your sister really get that house and you are comfortable just because of some in-law when they no know, some in-law me I no know wetin I wan talk, when they no know word when they go talk, or when they no mature reach to be a man, you understand, because responsible man or in-laws, they no meet two grandmothers, they dey happy, they dey very okay. They just because of say una daughter get married, then na wan scatter. Because for me if na me be you, yes ma, if na me be you, editorial husband, you suppose to culture him. The way he insult your sister, he go still get that power to insult you. By vex now, comot for your sister house. You no know house where you dey go, you no know how e be. Your sister house na your house. As far as your sister no throw you out, except she throw you out, but as far as she no throw you out, na just word of mouth. You know when person dey vex, person must talk. As far as say na mouth, na your senior sister according to you, you say na your mama, then why I dey follow una, I dey see how una take dey happy. Na this one my mama now, two sisters, na only us remain now, na only two of us remain o. Mommy, aunty, grandma gift, no let in-law, your daughter husband or ekeme husband bring you and your sister friendship wey una don build for many years, when dem no dey there, when una dey suffer, when una mother give birth to una, when una small small, when una come marry, una husband no scatter una. Why children, una children wey una put for una womb, wey una suppose to culture, talk to, dem go come put sansan or put quarrel between you and your sister. One, your reaction, that house when they show you, in fact you dey discouraged. Seeing that house, see that road, if person dey look for house, nothing, they no dey show person. That particular moment, that particular when you dey talk, so when me view you, I feel sadness inside you. If this my video hurt you, I'm so sorry, but if you be my mother or you be my auntie, I go tell you say, mommy, auntie, no let this in-law, because if he have the guts to insult your sister, the same father, the same mother of you, he go fit still insult you. Because this one no be editorial direct sister, this one no be editorial na UK na editorial husband insult. This one na UK husband, editorial husband insult your sister direct. If na because of that you wan comot for your sister house, mommy, e no good o, e no make sense, okay ma. But if na true say the kitchen too small na make you wan comot, for me as a daughter or as a sister to you, my own for be say manage am, dey there, money wey you go take rent house for a year, go use am look for one land, buy the land. I know say you go get land because na you build your school. If you get land, use that money wey you wan pay this year, go use am build, start the foundation. By next year you know where you go do, by next 2 years you fit pack enter your house. Then you comot for your sister house, if na true, go rent another house, start to dey pay. Those money wey you take dey pay, so gather am, use am start your own building. By this time next year you fit enter your house, by this time next 2 years you fit enter your house. No let your daughter husband bring misunderstanding between you and your sister. For me, looking at you, I know say you be very very nice person, jovial. In fact, you fit respect small pikin when they born today as I dey see you. But the part you no gree come out for social media to address your children, I know say indoor, as everything come leak out, we come find out say una call the two side, una try to make peace, and we see UK when come your house, come make peace. For me, and if you comot for your sister house, the one when editorial husband go do tomorrow, or the one wey editorial go do tomorrow, e go worse o. See those things, call your daughter, okay? No let your daughter, no let anybody push you comot for your sister house. Na your sister, the same father, the same mother, except e still dey your hand, you come dey look at say I dey fit dey eat now. Remember when your sister render that house for you, remember where for rescue you, remember where you dey today ma. I'm sorry if I talk this word, e hurt you, I will draw my word, but don't let anybody bring sansan or misunderstanding between you and your sister UK family mother, okay? Now this one I get to talk. Some commenters, I beg, make una dey drop comment with pics, make una dey drop comment with love, okay? Before you dey type if this person, if na me wear this person shoe, how e go be. I'm begging. If you dey close to grandma gift, please tell her say make she no comot, Mama still dey make this parable say if you use vex take comot for where you first dey stay before, if you still get another one, I no wish you like that o, na still vex. They no dey use vex take comot for house. House wey you use peace enter. Don't ever use anger, quarrel take comot. Talk of na your sister property. Ma, I'm sorry if I talk put, but no comot for your sister house. Na your sister house. No any other person go fit give you that gift wey your sister give you, except you dey pay. If you dey even dey pay and outside her own, e no fit be the same. No let UK husband or editorial husband bring misunderstanding. Misunderstanding when you and your sister husband direct your husband, direct her husband, e no bring to una. While una daughter una put for womb, when mama say pikin when they put akamu, that is all those, say when they born pikin, all those things dey dey body. Na e go, na so. You supposed to caution your two daughter. UK family, she's your daughter. Editorial, she's your daughter. If there is any way when UK mother would talk to you, say, I think see what your daughter, husband do, you supposed to apologize, because if your daughter husband fit call your sister winch, that word was so, in fact, it's too big. I see say all of them don't calm down, all of them everywhere don't silent now. They don't succeed what they want to. No, they not bring two sisters when they don't old. When very soon they're supposed to date together, they show their self-love. They not scatter when they're young, when they're struggle, when they're hustle. Now when they don't old, when they get white hair, now one put some husband where maybe they not get home training, just because marriage bring us together. You can't scatter mama and sister. It's not done, no. Please, editorial husband, me I dey send you message. Me, I look at you before as a gentleman, but since one of those things starts, my brother, call UK mother, apologize to her. Look where you for they come. Look your mom. You'll see say, okay, for me, looking at your mom, I know say your mom still gets, it train you how to respect, because that respect, I see her also. On that man, I never knew now. But not go learn for street, or not let your wife come they remote you. It's good your wife remote. If your wife not remote, no big remote you, but let her remote you for good, not for bad. If you contribute for two sisters to scatter, revise yourself, call them and apologize. Make peace before editorial mom come up for that house. Make peace. And our brother also, UK husband, please, I know you be learned person. Do it to your word when it come out from phone recording. I look you like learned person. You know me, if you still call editorial mom, apologize, make peace, let peace reign for the both side, so that the two sisters will be happy, so that editorial mom, that her vibe when we they see, I think they train our sister Helly, she will continue with it. I just use this my video to talk to editorial mom and editorial mom sister, that is UK mother. Please, ma, we me want react to una matter. If I see una, that respect as a mother, that respect as a daughter, I'll still give her to una. No home mother for not the quarrel. Now because una matter link out, now make us we get access to it. Please, ma, mostly UK mom, I apologize on everybody behalf. Me, I apologize personal. If there is any way, not let your sister come out. Advise her, tell her make she stay. She fit from your house, pack go her house. Now good thing. Now this one I get to talk, my people. If you get anything to add, please do where to add it. Now two sisters, when they don't old, or those two sisters they don't old. Now only one be YouTuber when I don't watch the video. Now in, but I not feel bring a senior sister video. Senior sister video, they have inside her video, they follow grandma gift. You see her sister when two of them, they hug each other, they laugh, they play. Why now? Why? Just because of young guys when they see wife marry. Please, we should be cautious for waiting with the talk. Please. My people, drop your opinion of, because they wash us. Yes, they wash us. Okay? Drop respectful comments. No drop disrespectful comments. Please, I'm begging. She be my elderly person. I don't know you when they watch whether you senior her, but still drop that respect of comment of respect. Okay? See, I meet you in my next video. Do well to join this beautiful family if you never join. I just want to fit this video to Abby and Fam, but I not conflict. Let me do Abby separate so that this video not too long. See, I meet you in my next video. Oh, let me see.
Also, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy, I don't. I no go feed the I no go